welcome back to our channel. So today, what are we doing, Zoran? We're gonna do like a Q&A / mukbang, and I don't know how to say it. People say mukbang, mukbang, I don't know, but we're gonna do that. We're gonna eat hella food, and we're gonna answer questions that you guys had for us. We're also doing a who is more likely to, right? Yeah. If you guys hear the animal, sorry, we have the kids here, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Juliana, what did you get, sis?
I got fries and a milkshake because I'm fat as fuck.
Okay, and I got the 10-piece chicken nugget with a large fry and some buffalo sauce. If you never had it, then you need to go try it ASAP.
And of course,
And then I got a milkshake from Jack in the Box. So. And I got it's a lettuce wrap. This is trying to be healthy, but I also got fries. So I have like really bad acid reflexes, so we can't eat McDonald's like breakfast or like Jack in the Box. My body's really sensitive, so I can't eat certain things.
but she still grubs a lot.
Yeah, I do grub. I still grub like no matter what. So we're gonna go ahead and start.
I got the question, what made you want to start dancing, or what's your favorite music to dance to? Personally, what made me start dancing was I started dancing because of my quinceañera. I just realized I had the passion for it, and every family Christmas party, we always have like cumbias and stuff. So that's what made me start getting into dancing. And honestly, I was just kind of getting tired of the cumbia, so I was like, I want something more. I just want to explore new genres of dance. And my favorite music to dance to is definitely Latino, like bachata, reggaeton, cumbias, banda, and zapateado.
I'm just kidding. So the first question I got was, who's your bestie? So my bestie is Cassandra, and she's the one who asked the question, so she wants to be right behind her. So this is a question for all of us. If you had one thing to eat for the rest of your life, what would you choose?
Fries.
Really?
Chicken sandwiches.
I would say like potatoes. Yeah. I like any potato.
The only thing I would eat is Mexican food.
So another question was, what's your favorite movie? My favorite movie has to be like Toy Story, the first one, because I don't know, it's just like I grew up with it, and it's like a really good movie, and I really enjoy it, and it's really nice. What about for you guys?
My favorite movie? What is my favorite movie?
Oh my gosh,
I don't count favorite movies. Do you have a favorite movie? What is it, 8 Mile? I love 8 Mile. It's like,
I have to say Tremors. It's a sci-fi movie.
Yeah, I would say Lilo and Stitch. I love Lilo and Stitch. So another question was, how was your summer 19? So my summer 19 was, it was alright. Literally, it was kind of boring, I'm gonna lie. We went to Cali, which was fun. If y'all didn't see that video, then you should go check it out or whatever.
my summer 19 was actually like pretty good and kind of productive, because like all I did was work. I kind of got a lot of shit done for school, because I am going to school in the fall, and I'm really excited for that.
My summer 19 was pretty good. It was very productive. All I did was dance and help out in some quinceañeras and hang out with family, so it was pretty good summer.
My summer was actually pretty good, like Gigi said. Like, I applied to college late as hell, but that's something that I did that was like good. And yeah, I'm gonna school in August in like 2 weeks. But yeah, it was pretty fun. Like, I just worked, chill, eat.
My summer was mainly, it was fun. I worked. I got to spend time with family. I did a lot of photo shoots.
So the last question that I got, which was who's most likely to get caught sneaking out? I feel like me. I feel like I would.
Yeah, because you're dumb.
I feel like I would.
Thinking now?
Like
No, I think it was Portia. She's smart. I think it would be like either Juliana or Maya.
I feel like I would.
I feel like Amaya would. Because she's always loud.
So the first question was, what are your goals during / after college or after like high school? For me, my goal is like during college just to work and like keep like a good ass GPA, like a 3.5. But I mean after college, I'm gonna like go straight into like, or while I'm in college I wanna be a cop. But yeah, that's like my goal.
So my goals for like, so junior year is when we're allowed to go to Westmed, and I want to go to Westmed to get my cosmetology degree. So then right after high school, I'll be able to go to college to get my business degree, and hopefully after that, I can get my business running, because I want to have my own business. That's it. That's it.
For me, what my goals are during college is, like Zara said, do good in school and like make sure school is a top priority for me, because school is where I'm gonna get that education and get that degree so I can get money. Because if you don't have that degree, you don't make shit. That's how technically, you don't need a degree to make like be successful, but I don't think you do, to be honest. But what I want to do, you need a degree, so that's why I'm home. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be a registered nurse.
I think I said it in the previous video, but what I want to do after high school is I want to go straight into college, and there's just so much I want to do. I'm really into history, and I would actually enjoy becoming a history teacher.
My main goal for this year is to get transferred to university in LA, and my dream is just to leave where Italian goes with that.
Okay. Next is well, this is for me and GC and Portia, because you guys are out of high school yet, but what are you studying in college? So for me, majoring in criminal justice. I want to be a homicide detective, so that's what I'm studying. I'm studying, like I said, I'm going to become a registered nurse. So that's what I'm studying.
What I'm studying is photography, commercial photography, and a teaching degree.
The next question is, do you think your high school set you up for success? Honestly, yeah, because the classes that I took and the teachers that I had, they were really good. So honestly, yeah. For me, it was like some teachers. Like, some teachers actually cared and like actually wanted to help me and like, oh, this is like what's gonna happen in class, blah blah blah. But other teachers, they didn't give a shit. Like, they're like,
For me, my high school years, I had great high school years, but the teachers there that I had, they really inspired me to be a better person and to work hard for what I want. And they really showed me, how to work hard.
the next question is, who is more likely to move out first? I think Amaya would.
Yeah. Really? I feel like I would too.
Honestly, like when she turns 18, Amaya would move out.
Yeah, I'm glad.
I think Amaya is more likely to. I think Zari is too, but
Yeah,
like, I feel like
Yaya would.
more.
I feel like Yaya would.
Honestly, I think Amaya would move out like right when she's 18. Cause she's that type of person who's like, she gets on her shit. She gets on her shit. Like, she doesn't slack at all.
Yeah, she gets her shit done and she's independent.
The next question is, who is more likely to get in a car accident?
Portia.
I feel like Portia would, no lie, because you almost died like 3 times. driving on her.
Honestly, I drive pretty wild, but I know how to like control it. Like
Sometimes I get scared driving.
You're like that's good driver.
driver. It's because Jaya has a sports card, so she goes.
Yaya's fun as fuck to drive.
The next question is, who is more likely to laugh until they pee their pants?
Portia?
I have really hard. I have. Okay, so I have a story. So short story. We went to Burger King. We went down the slide and I peed my pants because I was laughing so hard. Full slide was full of pee.
It's not even a joke, y'all.
It's not. It's not. It was funny. But
Okay, the next question is, who is more likely to give all their money to charity?
Portia.
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
I feel like
I
Portia would.
Juliana's nice.
Portia's nice too, but Portia cares a lot.
Anyways, me. Who is more likely to be a drama queen?
Zaya and Mamaya.
A drag queen?
A drag queen?
Oh, totally. Zaya and Amaya, because the way their personality.
I don't know.
I agree.
I think no way.
Well, not drama queen, but I'm not like
She's extra.
I think that.
We could all get petty.
Shout out to my tia, Saya. She was like asking me all the questions. But the next question is, who is more likely to do weird things in public?
Me.
Portia.
What?
Portia.
Wow.
Dumb. Like I feel like she'd be too shy.
I feel like she's down.
I wouldn't. I would actually be down.
Honestly, I was.
Okay, sweet. The next question is, who is more likely to get married first?
I was gonna say Portia again.
I feel like
Yaya would.
I think I would.
I feel like Yaya would.
Portia.
No.
It's between me
Not Portia.
and Maya. The next question is, who is more likely to become a multi-millionaire? Me, bitch. All of us. We all
All of us. What are all
now
secure the bag? They really want to.
The next question is, who is more likely to die during a zombie apocalypse?
Portia. I even said it myself. Like I'll be that one. I'll be that one person who walks into the. Like,
I don't know.
first
Maybe
house.
she won't. Like I feel she'll be scared at first, but then
I'll be a baddie.
I feel like she would make Amaya do the runs for her. Like.
No, I feel like if we were in a zombie apocalypse, I would be
I'd
really
be
scared.
scared too, but
But then I'll be like, you know what, survival, let's go.
Got a question that says, who's most likely to get into a fight?
Yeah.
she has before.
She had like,
Testing.
I'm too scared to fight.
I think me too, but I just have like
I can. Who's most likely to get pregnant first?
GC.
No.
GC.
I think Portia would.
Who's most likely to go to jail?
Me.
That's a tough
Not because
question.
like I do something bad. It's probably for fighting or something.
No. The next question I got was, who is more likely to support a bum boyfriend?
Portia.
Portia.
The other guys that I liked or like dating, they're all bums. Like literally.
It's not.
Yeah, It's not.
The next question I have is, who is more likely to let their man be a stay-at-home dad while the mom brings home the money?
Me.
I would. I don't think that's a bad thing.
It's not a bad thing.
It's not.
Because staying at home with the kids, that's a hard job.
It is.
Like it's way more tiring. It's way I'd rather whoever I'm with stay home because like it's hard.
Yeah.
It's not easy.
Okay, sorry guys, gotta change cameras because her camera's, I don't know why it stopped. But anyways, we're gonna continue, finish this question. The next question is, who is more likely to stay at their parents' home forever?
I feel like GC would.
It's because, honestly, it's because I'm a mama girl. And the next question is, this is the last one. Who is most likely to not talk to each other if y'all were getting into a fight? Me and Zara.
GC and Yaya.
Yeah, because we're petty. Okay.
And she doesn't know how to talk to me, so like just ignore each other.
No, but we do end up talking
Yeah, we
at
end
the
up
end.
talking.
Like, we won't, probably like the longest we haven't talked was like 2 days. That's the longest we ever stopped talking. It's usually like, cause I gave her time, and if she's ready to talk, I'll talk. The other question is, who's most likely to get robbed at a bank?
I'll be too scared and be like, here, take all my stuff. But I ain't trying to die today.
So that was all the questions. Thank you for joining us with this somewhat breakfast, cause it was like,
This was like
afternoonish. The Cali trip was really fun.
Yeah,
It was fun.
Like it was fun. Like we didn't do a lot of stuff like all together. Like sometimes we're all like separated. Like me, I went to the zoo. I went to like
like
She did more
different
shit.
things.
I was in a whole other country. Oh yeah, Juliana didn't even go. She
Yeah,
went
she went to
to.
Rocky
She was in Mexico.
Which,
I mean,
how was
everyone had
that?
fun, though. It was so much fun. I loved it. Quadding there, it was only $20, and they didn't give a fuck
Yeah.
how old you were. They gave you your own quad.
They don't yeah, it's because they don't care. Mexico is its own country. They don't fuck. Like dude, you could be drinking like
Everything
dude, you
is
could
so
go to a
cheap
club
over there.
and drink over there at 18. You just gotta be 18. That's it.
Oh, guys, give us some ideas for videos because we really struggle with ideas.
Yeah.
So what you guys want to see from us, comment down below so we know.
Oh, what you want us to talk about, like life skills or life like advice,
Or like
anything.
going in like me and
Going
Jesse are
into
gonna go
school.
to college like in 2 weeks. So we can give you guys advice on like or what to
High
expect. Since it is
So-
back to school, like
Or we can
school
do like
month.
back to school outfits, like what to get,
Yeah, like a
back
haul.
to school shopping.
If you guys are subscribed to us, we do really encourage you guys if we ask.
Really open.
Yeah, if we ask you guys to help us out, like hey, like ask us questions we're gonna do Q&A, like please answer us because we can't make this shit up.
Unless, like we said, like we're here to help you guys too as well. Like, yeah, we'll make fun videos certain times, but this channel really wants to speak out to young people like us and how to help them and how to encourage them and how to get, just give advice.
If you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. And make sure you guys turn on that notification bell so you guys can get notified every time we upload a new video. Because you guys know you guys want to see us. Yes, the life of the queen.
And watch my recent Cali vlog. 'cause
We'll put
it's
it.
lit.
Yes,
We'll
y'all.
put it around.
Watch the
It's
vlog.
true. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next Thursday.
Bye.